Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Callaway County, Kentucky, southern Marshall County, Kentucky, southwestern Trigg County, Kentucky, until 6:45 p.m. At 6:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles south of Benton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Benton, Energy Lake Campground, Turkey Bay, land between the lakes area, Golden Pond Visitor Center, Wranglers Campground, Canton, Harding, Aurora, Linton, Parrot Sea, and Brewers. This includes Interstate 69 in Kentucky between mile markers 35 and 39. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Callaway, Marshall, and Trigg.